Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the sleek and versatile Logitech K585 multi-device slim wireless keyboard in a stunning rose finish. This modern design not only elevates your desk setup but also offers seamless connectivity with its easy switch feature, allowing you to effortlessly toggle between your laptop, tablet, smartphone, and desktop. Experience a comfortable, laptop-like typing experience with its whisper-quiet keys, complete with a numeric keypad and 12 FN keys for quick access to media shortcuts. Enjoy extended autonomy with a remarkable 24-month battery life and a strong wireless range of up to 10 meters, thanks to Bluetooth or the included 2.4 GHz USB receiver. Perfect for multi-OS use, this keyboard is compatible with Windows, macOS, iOS, iPadOS, Android, Chrome, and Linux, making it a versatile choice for any tech enthusiast. Plus, with the Logi Options Software, you can personalize your productivity by customizing the FN keys to suit your needs. Transform your workspace with the Logitech K585, where style meets functionality in perfect harmony. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.